To fix MetaMask errors, start by understanding what MetaMask is and its common issues. MetaMask is a digital wallet that allows users to store, send, and receive cryptocurrency. Common errors include failed transactions, locked accounts, and connectivity issues. First, ensure your browser and MetaMask extension are up to date, as outdated versions can cause compatibility issues. Next, check your internet connection, as a stable connection is necessary for MetaMask to function properly. If you are experiencing issues with a specific transaction, try restarting your browser or disabling and re-enabling the MetaMask extension. This can resolve issues related to temporary glitches or cache problems. For account-related issues, such as a locked account, try resetting your password or restoring your account using your seed phrase. Be cautious when handling your seed phrase, as it can be used to access your account. To prevent errors, always keep your MetaMask extension and browser updated. Use a strong password, and enable two-factor authentication. Regularly back up your wallet and seed phrase to prevent loss of funds in case of an error. In case of persistent issues, refer to the MetaMask support page or community forums for more specific guidance and troubleshooting tips. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively fix MetaMask errors and ensure a smooth user experience.